everyone. Today we will explain the first part of the product section within the cart section. So let's get started without wasting time. The products directory is a key resource in the cart section. It provides detailed management of product information, including product names, descriptions, codes, prices, units of measure, types, characteristics, and various product categories such as raw materials, semi-finished products, commercial goods, and more. The products directory plays an important role in effective organization of business processes, from order and procurement management to sale analysis and report generation. The interconnected data from this category provides a unified and accurate source of product information for an entire system. Now, first, let's look at the top section. The part you see on the left is filter section. Here, for example, we can easily find the product by entering its code. We can see the product. And we can continue. On this site, we can see the product list. Instead of searching through so many products, using the filter is the most convenient way. When we look below, we can see that we can display any number of products, maybe 25, 50, 100, 500, 2000, and so on. And the right side helps us navigate through products across different pages. For example, when we choose 200 products, we can see 2 pages. When we choose this, we can see 4 pages, and we can change pages like this. When we choose 25, we can see 14 page, and we can change again page like this. And this is the top section of the product section. If everything is clear so far, next time we will explain the lower section in detail. See you in part 2. Bye bye.